Hi everyone. I've been talking to some people about doing your top coat sealer using a Chux, so you minimise your brush strokes. Jamila Imran, this video's for you, so you can see how it's done. We have a helper, Tiger. Hopefully he won't lick it off. Okay, so I've just got a Chux. I've wet it, I've wrung it out so there's nothing coming out of it. And I've got my desk here. I was going to finish with the Vintage Birds hemp oil, but I thought I'd use it for this project. So I'm just going to dip it into this is the Monocell Clear wood varnish. And then I'm just going to go over the top. And make sure I get in the crevice. And your brush strokes are not there. So that's done.
So what's the aim of that? What does it actually do? This
seals your paint.
Right.
So this is the top coat, it seals your paint. So once this dries, I'll do that again.
Yep.
And it will then be sealed and you can use it without worry. So I'll do the same for this one. Pop it in, squeeze it out. You will end up looking somewhat, unless you have gloves on like I do not, looking like you are losing a lot of skin trying to peel this off. Tiger, don't lick the desk. Now you have to make sure you give the paint, the sealer, sorry, a very good stir prior, otherwise it might dry cloudy. So you have to make sure you lift all the sediments from the bottom so it goes right through. Okay, that part's done. Okay, I'll put this one over here to dry. I'll bring those back so you can have a look in a moment. I'll show you on the legs and on the side. Whoops, I've just spilt that everywhere. Okay, again, into the crevice and then wipe it down around. Not too much, so it's, if you've got too much on there, whoop, just squeeze it out. And you can see that it's gone from a matte finish to slightly shiny. So this is a satin finish, this one. Now I do have a gilding wax around the edges. It's done nothing to that. So you just continue. And go for another dip. You don't seem to like licking this one. If you have a cat, beware, they might like licking your products once you've put them on your furniture. His favourite is the Feast Watson Black Japan. We have to literally lock him out of the house because he will lick it all off. So you can open it up. I'll make sure I get it all on there. So if you're doing a larger area, wring it out. See, my hands will end up all. So you cover the area and you just run it down. If you miss a bit, those edges. bit more off. Standing up it would be ideal, but my back's sore, so I don't want it standing up. Okay, so you can see the difference in the colours, the wet look, I suppose you'd say. It's a messy job, but someone's got to do it. Okay. I didn't get in that underbridge there.
It gives a bit of a blue colour when you first put it on, which is good
because it's got the cloudiness.
Yeah.
So that's just it against the black, so it dries clear. If it dries cloudy, you haven't stirred it enough, or you've put too much on.
Right.
So, see, it's not like that now. It was when I first put it on.
Yep.
But it's dried clear. If it does dry like that, you have put too much on or not stirred it enough initially in the beginning.
Okay.
So we'll come around to this part here and finish this. Do the bottom. I just go around when I do the round areas. By this time, your cloth is probably that full of the varnish or the sealer that you don't need to continue to dunk it in. Okay. It's a bit of an odd angle here, but you still want to keep going in the same direction because you still can get marks. So to minimize those, you still want to continue going all in the one direction. So across, you don't want to go across and then straight up and down. You keep the flow going. We'll pop back and show you when this is dry, and you'll see how it fares up with drying once I've used this technique, and see whether you think it would work for you.